Hi, my name is Joe, and I'm joined with Colby. And today we decorated our sunroom for Halloween, so we invite you to join us. Afterwards, we bobbed for apples and did some apple paint stamping. So stay tuned to the end of the video to watch that. Colby, this is how you do it. No hands. No, that's a hand.
No, I'm trying to fix it.
Okay, well, it doesn't have. They don't have a stem. No, that's cheating. No. Cheating. No hands. Yay! It's one.
Okay, again. Oh, I got a big one. I got a big one.
Okay, no hands. Okay, go on. Yay! In the bucket.
This one's shoes one.
No, that's cheating. Put your hands away. Put your hands away.
I like this right here.
No, that's just cheating. You gotta bite into it. These are extra apples. Daddy got these. You want mommy to try?
Yeah. I want my brother to try too.
Hang on, let me try. That big one?
Yes, I want you to get a big one. I like the bite and then a big one. I like the big one.
I don't know that the big ones.
Grab it with your hand.
I got it.
That's very good.
I don't want to hold her then.
I'll help you.
Oh, okay. Right, your turn. Oh, I have makeup on. Your turn.
I'll try this one.
Get the whole head in there.
Okay.
Yay! Get one that doesn't have a stem. Get one without a stem. No hands. No hands, cheater. Watch.
No, I'll try that one. I don't want to get that one.
My whole head's wet.
I'll try.
No, that's your hands. No hands. You got one? All right, back here. Get another one.
Oh, this one. No, your turn, Mommy.
My turn. I'm about the way. All right, I have to get the ones without the stems. Is that the point?
Yeah.
Over here.
Oh, a red one. The red one, Mommy. A red one. Here, got the red one. Oh, that's right underwater.
Okay.
No, big one.
Now it's your turn.
No.
Oh, my makeup.
No, you try to do it.
One more. One more.
Okay. I'm doing one. Oh, that's a big one.
Right, your turn. I want to see Daddy do it.
I don't want to do it. I don't want to go underwater. I don't want to go underwater.
I think we're good. You want to do some apple painting?
Yeah, on red. On the
red
big one.
apple.
I want the big one.
A bit wet now. Hey, I took my makeup off, but I'm still drenched. We're going to do apple stamping.
Mommy.
So I just cut.
Look here, look.
Yeah, there's.
Here's the seed.
That's right. So I cut the apple. He's eating an apple. The sticker on it. Let's get that sticker off. We've got 3 colors: red, yellow, and green.
I want red.
Let me. So what you do, Colby?
Red.
Not the one you're eating, but the one that you're not eating. You get it covered in paint.
I want to do it.
And then you go stamp.
I want to do it.
And you pull the paper, stamp. And it will come out better. And then lift it straight up. Okay, yeah. Stamp. Now lift it up. You gotta hold the paper and stamp. Yes. Stamp. 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 Lift up mummies. Stamp. Here's more paper. And change the colors and do more stamping. And we're gonna just do more apple stamping.